auntie.
Cha la 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 la. That is it. Well, I am so excited about the fact that Sherwin-Williams have this product
Because, Yanique, my auntie had with the dogs, which don't have no problem. But what I do have a problem with is when they make a mess on the wall. You understand what I say?
Well, guess what? Tell your auntie that I say Sherwin-Williams, Loxon, self-cleaning. She ought to get some gallons. She needs to. Yes, man. This paint is basically self-cleaning. And when I say self-cleaning, I mean
It cleans itself.
It cleans itself. Right, it cleans itself. So any contact with water, so you paint your house nice and,
So she can just take one hose and hose it down.
listen to me. Paint your exterior walls with this.
And I eat that.
Any contact at all with water.
Whether rain fall, I'm
Whether-
turn on the hose.
Whether rain fall or you hose down the wall or you're going in your drum, go put one container to put
And
some water.
splash up.
It cleans. So any contact with water at all, it looks brand new.
Like she just paint.
brand new, like she just.
Auntie,
So
find
for,
Sherwin.
for all those like contractors, say we get so Americanized. So pay skyscrapers down, right? And I am sure that is not a little bit of money.
It's not.
Not a little bit of money.
It's
To
not.
paint those buildings. So when you use this paint and rainfall, the skyscrapers, they
It's
look
as if
brand
them
new.
just paint.
Brand new.
I'm not
So
saying about the
this,
money that's so
exactly. So
For
here, so in this case, your dollar can stretch far, because it eliminates the frequent
painting.
Right.
Fabulous. Me like this.